everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have a little haul, a little planner supply haul. Actually some planners too from Five Below and Dollar Tree. I like to go periodically to these stores to see if I can find anything good when it comes to affordable planner items. So I picked up a few things that I hadn't seen before since the last time I went. And if you're not familiar with Five Below, they have a lot of really cool items, especially around back to school. I find a lot of planner stuff over there. But throughout the year, they do have like a little planner section or like a stationery section where they have some really cool products. And I saw a few new things there. And usually everything's like $5 or less, which is amazing. And then of course, Dollar Tree. Everything is $1.25 at Dollar Tree. So I'm going to go over Five Below first, which is the higher price point in this haul, and just show you what I was able to pick up. So I found at Five Below 2 planners and also 2 like stationery items. So I'll show the planners first. Okay, so here's the first one. This one's really cute. It says 2024 on the front. I love the like retro vibes on this one. And then we have this other weekly, monthly planner here. They're for January 2024 to December 2024. So I have both of these. I'm going to flip through them so you can see them. And I think, I can't remember, I feel like these were $5 each. Although on the back it says $17.99, but they definitely were not $17.99. I think it was $5. Oh, you know what? I have the receipt. Do I have a receipt? No, I don't have a receipt. I thought I did. But yeah, they were either $5 or less for each of these. So let's flip through this one first. Okay, so yeah, I really like this one. It's a like twin loop version of the coiled bound planner. It says 2024 on the front, and then it says 2024 weekly planner. You have your 2024 and 2025 monthlies. Get a little lined page here. Your January monthly. I love this little checklist on the side. That's really nice. And then you have the weekly pages. Okay, there's a lot on these weekly pages actually. So this week's priorities, a little shopping list. Then you have your weekly, your individual days here. And I'm loving this little daily habit tracker. That's cool. And then you have a section for things I'm grateful for. It's really like a lot on these 2 sheets, which is nice and very, very functional. So those are the weeklies. And then it goes into February. So here's February. And it's kind of the same setup on that one. And then you can see the months on the side here. Since it's not tabbed, but you can find them like that, which is really nice. Oh, and in the back, let's see what's in the back. Okay, you get 2 line sheets for note taking and then a password and contact section on the back, and that's the very, very back. But yeah, I thought that was just a nice little setup for the planner, and they had different options, different color options. I didn't get all the planners because I didn't want to purchase a bunch, but I just wanted to share that they do have some 2024 planners, some more different ones than I originally had seen in the past. And then this one is just a book bound one, so no coiled on this one. And this one actually comes with stickers, very functional headers, some icons, and little boxes. This planner belongs to. And this paper is a lot thicker. Like this was a thin paper on this, but this is a nice thicker, sturdier paper. So here we have yearly goals, your health, mental, travel, work, career, study, financial, and other. Additional notes, a note section, and you can do like a little sketch and doodle section there. And then here's the monthly. You have notes on the side, monthly goals, and inspirational quote for the month. The weekly section. So each week is on one side of the page. So you have Monday through Sunday here, and then it goes into the next week. So 2 weeks that you can see in one view. And then I guess that's the end of January. Oh, sorry, I missed a page. Okay, so here's January 1st through 7th, 8th through 14th, 15th through 21st, 22nd through the 28th. Then it goes into the new month. like that. Same setup on that. February, let's see what's in the back. Ooh, more stickers. Okay, so note section, another doodle section, and more stickers. The same stickers that are on the front. And there's the back. And they had different patterns on this one too at the store. So yeah, 2 planners that I found. They were in, again, the stationery area. There's like a section that has like arts and crafts nearby. So that's where I found these 2. And then I found 2 other like more planner, more stationery accessories. So I've been really eyeing getting something like this, but I thought this was really cute. And for only $5, I was like, yes, have to get that. So these are golden scissors. And then you have like a little holder so it sits in. So I'm going to open this up and show you. Let's see how the scissors are because I haven't opened it. So here it is sitting in the stand, the scissors. And then here it is. It's a very shiny gold metal. And then here are the scissors. I just thought they were so pretty. We'll see how they cut because I'm interested to see how these cut. So let me get a piece of paper that I can cut. Okay, let's cut this. This is a nice thick piece of paper. Okay, so they cut very nicely. They're not just like pretty scissors. They actually do cut very nicely. But I probably, to be honest, won't cut anything that has like sticker residue on it because I wouldn't want to get these messed up. But I think like aesthetically they're really, really nice. And they do cut well, so that's good. And they were only $5. Like, look how pretty that is. So nice. So I did pick up this, and then just to go with this to match it, because I don't have one of these. I used to have one of these. I don't know what happened to it. But I kind of needed one of these too. It is a tape dispenser. So this one was, I think, $5 as well, but it matches the aesthetic of the scissors. That's kind of why I wanted to get it. But it's just a little tape dispenser. Let's see, let me close that up because it's a little loose. Let me take this off. So while I was removing the tape, the little top part of the tape, I noticed that this tape is not good. This is like terrible, terrible tape. It wouldn't even cut on this thing. So I switched it just to my regular, like the Scotch. I have this like Scotch tape and put it on here. And I will say it's not the best at cutting this, to be honest. Yeah, not the best. Yeah, it doesn't even like want to grab. See how it's like pulling and grabbing? Okay, so this is a pass. You have to like hold it down to make it cut. I mean, it's cute and it matches, but it's not the best. So I would pass on that one if I were you, but the scissors are good. I do like the scissors. I might return this because I'm not a fan of that. Okay, so those were the 4 items that I found. I will go back around like back to school time. I'll go back periodically, like I said, to see if there are any other items. But back to school time is when they come out with lots of really cool planner and stationery stuff. So definitely head over there during the summer to see like more planner items and stationery items. But those are the things that I found. Now I'm gonna go over the Dollar Tree items. So at Dollar Tree, I found some undated planners. I thought these were cute because they're like little books. Really nice to like just pop into your purse because they're very small. And then they are hard. They're like a hard cover, which is really nice too. So those, I found those 2. And then I found this undated one that's more of a soft cover on this one. It's a weekly and monthly planner. So these I think are about the same. So let's see what these have. They have little personal information page, holiday section, some birthdays, toll-free numbers, interesting, frequently called numbers, notes, and then here are the weeklies. It's just like a horizontal kind of layout, and then that's just basically how this setup is here. And in the back, you have lots of places for addresses. Wow. And phone numbers. Like, this is all addresses and phone numbers on the back, which I guess is good to have because I always forget, especially if like you don't have your phone. Well, for whatever reason, if you don't have your phone on you, Okay, this one's coming apart. I just realized that. But that glue can easily fix that. But this is about the same. Oh, because did somebody rip this? No, it's not ripped. Okay. But yeah, it's the same setup. It's just a different cover. Okay, so those are the planners, little planners. And then here is the soft cover, undated planner. This one's a little bit more fun with the colors. Important date section, monthly section. Again, you could write in, this is undated, so you can use this as you go. The weekly sections, and then the monthly. Okay, let's see the back. Notes section, notes, and notes. So yeah, nice little undated planner just to jot in some notes if you need it. All right, and then the other items I found were more accessories. So I found these at Dollar Tree, which I don't think I've ever seen these, but I used to use these to label my sticker books, like the containers with categories, and these were expensive. I bought these at at the Container Store, and they were very pricey. So I was excited to see these because they're so much more affordable. You get 3 of them, and they're plastic, but yeah, they're white, and they label your boxes. So I wanted to share those because I've shared these in the past, but like a more expensive price point. So yeah, I'm excited to see these. But yeah, they just basically label the basket, which I put my sticker books in boxes, and I would use these to label the boxes. So I found that there. Of course, they always have some really good sticky notes. Like if you're looking for sticky notes, especially cute ones, cute decorative ones, definitely go to Dollar Tree because they got lots of options. And I thought this one was really cute. So it's here now. Just a nice pad of sticky notes. Always can use some sticky notes on hand. And then, oh, I found these. I love like erasers like on their own because whenever I have mechanical pencils, they always come with these teeny tiny little erasers on the top that are pointless. So I always like to buy like erasers like this where they're on their own, but this one's broken. This one already broke. So I was looking for a new one, but I like to have my own eraser type of pen. So there's this, and it comes with 2 in this pack. So we'll see how this erases. Okay, I'm gonna write on here, planner. We'll see if this is a good eraser. And then you just like go up and down with it like this to bring it out more. Okay, so yeah, and it's nice because, oh, it ejected. Oh no. Okay, definitely don't pull on that while you're erasing. Oh no, this is like coming apart. Okay, like that. That's better. Do it more to the side. But it's nice because this one's like huge, and it doesn't do the best job erasing, but kind of took off some of the print. But usually when I'm erasing, it's erasing on some white paper. I guess I should do that on a white planner. And then erase this way. Okay. But yeah, I erased that. So yeah, I saw these there. They're probably not, I mean, they keep like coming apart right here, which is annoying. So I don't like that, but I mean, they're $1.25, so not too bad. But honestly, if you want to get a nice like eraser like this, I got this at Daiso. So they weren't too expensive too, but this one works pretty good. Okay, so next thing I got, okay, I found these self-laminating sheets, and I was thinking of using these for, so you could use these and you can write on this with a like permanent marker. Let's see if you can actually on this one. Like you can put a sheet of paper in here, like say you want something we'll do like a little to-do list. Sorry, this is like a very rough thing that I'm gonna set up here, just as a little test. Okay, so let's say that this is gonna be what we are laminating in here. And then you laminate that, whatever you want to like not have to use over and over again, basically. Maybe like a habit tracker or something. So this will be laminated, and then you could go on top with the marker and kind of write on top of it. Let me see if the permanent marker. I have a Sharpie, like a thicker Sharpie. And then you gotta just let that dry. It kind of acts like a dry erase board, which is nice. Yeah, it's already drying. Okay, it's already drying. And then you can just erase that with some, I have some nail polish remover. You can just erase it. And then you'll be able to start over with whatever you had put inside the laminating sheet, which is nice. So you could create your own little thing in your planner, and you could actually punch this too, put that in your planner. So I got those because I thought that would be cool to use. Also for the cash envelope system stuff that I do, I was gonna try this out because it's cheap, and you get, let's see how many sheets. You get 3 sheets in here, and you don't have to have a laminator machine to use these, which is good. Okay, so those are the items I found. Not too many. Like I said, I usually go back around back to school. That's when they tend to have a little bit more when it comes to this stuff. But I wanted to share some of the things that I bought to see if whether they were good or not, whether they were hits or misses. As you can see, some were misses, but some were pretty good. And if you're looking for like maybe cheap little, more affordable planner options, maybe for your kid or somebody that's not like super into planning but just needs a planner in their life, these are good options to get. But yeah, just wanted to share that. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.